Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring access and essentials are ready. Log into Instagram and confirm two-factor authentication if enabled. Once done, tap your profile icon at the bottom right to open your page. Make sure you see the Edit Profile button and press it to enter editing mode. You need a new profile photo, concise bio text, and any updated website or contact details. This step sets the stage, because clear preparation prevents last-minute mistakes and speeds up the rest of the update process. You now focus on visible identity. First, change your profile photo. Tap Change Photo, choose Upload or Import, crop and save. This is the image followers recognize. Next, update your name and username. Pick searchable words and verify the username is available because it's unique. Then compose a short, informative bio. Use emojis sparingly, line breaks for readability, and include an @handle or hashtag if relevant. These middle steps improve discoverability and convey what you do, so take time to optimize. Finish by adding your website, contact info, and selecting a category or professional account settings if needed. Check all links and inputs before you save. Once satisfied, preview the profile and tap Done or Submit. Then view your public profile to confirm formatting and link behavior. If things go wrong, like username errors or images failing, clear the app cache, log out and back in, or try a slight username variation. One simple reset often resolves sync issues, so your updates appear correctly to followers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.